Hi everyone, I'm here with the team behind the Tea Time Talks. You've seen us this year. We've had many talks streamed through YouTube. It's been a wonderful experience and we're very grateful to everyone who has joined, of the audience, and of course, most particularly to the speakers that have joined us from all over the place this year. We've had, I think, almost 40 speakers and 20 sessions, so this has gone much better than I think any of us could have expected in the beginning. And this is our YouTube channel. You're used to it, and you can see all the previous sessions there. And now in this 1 year anniversary, we're approaching 1 year of the Porous Media Tea Time Talks now. We have some big news coming along. And this is that there's going to be a new logo on your screen from now on, and it is this one here, the InterPore Young Academy. So InterPore is starting this year the InterPore Academy, which is gathering all things related to education inside InterPore. And we, the Tea Time Talks, we are joining the InterPore Academy as the InterPore Young Academy. So the Tea Time Talks will continue on this year and hopefully for many years ahead. And we are very happy to have you along the way. The first session, the now InterPore Young Academy Tea Time Talk, is already scheduled. It's going to happen 2 weeks from now, not 2 weeks from now, the 15th of June. Because the session that would be scheduled for the 1st of June, that one we will skip because that's InterPore week. So we're all going to be paying close attention to InterPore. And I think this is more or less all we have to say today. It's a short announcement of some very big news. And I am here with the whole team from several different places around the world. And we hope to see you around on the 15th of June on the first session of the Young Academy, the InterPore Young Academy Tea Time Talk. So bye from all of us.